In today's video, I'm going to teach you to open an American Express high yield savings account. We'll walk through the online application step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to move through it confidently. Start by heading to the American Express personal savings website using a secure, trusted browser. Make sure you're on the official site so your information stays protected. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Open Account. Clicking this will launch the application and guide you through a simple series of screens. You'll be asked to enter your personal details, including your full legal name, your current residential address, your date of birth, and your social security number. Financial institutions request this information to verify your identity and comply with federal regulations designed to prevent fraud. Take a moment to ensure everything matches what appears on your government-issued ID and your banking records. Typos or outdated addresses are common causes of delays, so double-check each field before moving forward. Next, you'll link an existing bank account that you plan to use to fund your new high-yield savings. Have your bank's routing number and your account number ready. Linking allows you to transfer money in and out easily using electronic transfers, and it's how you'll make your initial deposit once your account is open. If the site offers different ways to link, choose the method you're most comfortable with and verify the details carefully. Accurate information here ensures your transfers go to the right place. Before you submit, review everything one more time. Confirm your personal information, verify the linked account numbers, and read through any disclosures about interest rates, transfer timelines, and account terms. This is also a good moment to make sure you understand how interest is calculated and how long deposits may take to become available. When you're satisfied, submit your application. After you submit, approval can be quick, and in many cases, it happens within minutes. Once approved, your American Express high-yield savings account will be opened and ready to use. You'll be able to move funds from your linked bank account, monitor your balance, and start earning interest according to the current rate. Keep an eye on any confirmation messages or emails that outline next steps and provide access details. And that's it, simple and straightforward. So visit the official site, start the application, enter your details, link a funding account, review, and submit. Once you're approved, you're all set to begin saving. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each screen to make sure everything is accurate so your account opens smoothly.